Hey guys, welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel. Today we're checking out a cleaning gadget designed to make everyday floor cleaning much easier. This is the UWANT D600 wet dry vacuum cleaner, and it's built to handle both wet and dry messes while also making the cleaning and maintenance process easier. Let's start with a quick look at what comes in the box. Inside you get the D600 along with its cleaning and maintenance accessories and the self-cleaning base station. The setup is pretty straightforward, and the low profile body and flexible handle immediately make it different from a traditional vacuum. The main idea behind the D600 is simple. Everyday messes can be a combination of dry debris and liquid spills. So having one machine that can deal with both makes a lot of sense. Whether it's food messes, pet hair, dust or something spilled on the floor, the D600 offers up to 23,000 PA of suction power and comes with 3 cleaning modes. Smart mode automatically adjusts suction for everyday cleaning, while Max mode provides stronger cleaning power for tougher messes. There's also a dry mode for cleaning dry debris without adding water. You can also adjust the water level between 3 settings. Higher water is useful for dried spills. Medium is designed for everyday cleaning, while the lower setting is better for lighter cleaning situations. And of course, we're also going to put the D600 through a stain cleaning test. We'll use some common household messes and see how effectively it can pick them up and clean the floor, because real world cleaning performance is what matters most. But one of the biggest problems with wet dry vacuums is what happens after cleaning. If the roller stays wet and dirty, unpleasant odors can become a problem. The D600 puts a lot of focus on solving this issue. It comes with a 4-dimensional RGB self-cleaning base station that can clean and dry the roller after use. And there's an important feature here, the push and charging and cleaning base. Instead of lifting the vacuum and placing it into the station, you can simply push the D600 into the base. This makes the whole process more convenient, and it also helps prevent dirty water from dripping onto the floor while you are moving the machine to the base. The RGB system indicates different stages of cleaning process, including basic self-cleaning, deep cleaning, UVC treatment, and infrared assisted hot air drying. So after cleaning the floor, the D600 can also take care of the roller. That's all. The D600 is designed to vacuum and wash at the same time. So a triple odor removal system with dual odor removal sticks, a washable motor roller brush, and hot water cleaning combined with hot air drying. These features are designed to help reduce unpleasant smells and keep the system fresher between uses. Another feature I really like is the 180-degree lifelike design. The D600 can go as low as around 4.72 inches, allowing you to reach underneath beds, sofas, cabinets, and other low areas without moving heavy furniture. The floating handle also helps with control, while the double-edged cleaning design allows the vacuum to clean closer to walls and along edges where dirt can easily be missed. Battery life is another important part of cordless cleaner, and UWANT rates the D600 for up to 50 minutes of runtime. That gives you enough flexibility for longer cleaning sessions without constantly worrying about charging. So, after looking at the features and putting it through a strain cleaning test, the UWANT D600 is designed to deal with many of the common problems of everyday floor cleaning, wet and dry messes, stubborn stains, hard to reach areas, edge cleaning, and the maintenance that comes after using a wet vacuum. With 23,000 PA suction, 3 cleaning modes, adjustable water control, 180-degree flat cleaning, double-edge cleaning, and the RGB self-cleaning and drying base, the D600 offers a pretty complete cleaning setup. And that push-in base is a small but useful feature. You can simply push the D600 into the charging and cleaning station without lifting it, making the after cleaning process much easier. If you're looking for a cordless wet dry vacuum that can handle everyday messes while focusing on easier maintenance and odor control, the UWANT D600 is definitely worth checking out. And that's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Technicalomor. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.